Assalamu alaikum, karibuni to Aroma of Zanzibar's kitchen. Today we're going to make something very simple, just with 4 ingredients and so delicious. And these are German potatoes. So in my pot over here, I have used about 1 tablespoon and a little bit of vegetable oil. And we're just going to add the potatoes. I've used 3 large potatoes that I've cut them into cubes, as you can see, just this size, and it should be enough for about 4 people. And then 1 small red onion, you can use yellow or white, and coarse black pepper, about maybe half a teaspoon, not more than that. Then we're just going to saute these for about a minute or so. Please make sure that the heat is low, because we're not trying to brown the potatoes or the onions, just want to saute them to nice translucent. All right, and we're gonna stir again and then let them cook for about a minute or so, and then stir again. It's very simple, and the ingredients are very simple, but these potatoes are so delicious. They've got such a unique flavor to them. All right, so after that, just gonna add the water, just enough to cover the potatoes. And if you have starchy potatoes, that's much better, but if you don't have, it's fine. You can use any potatoes that you have. Just add some salt to taste, and we're gonna bring this to a boil. And once it comes to a boil, just gonna cover it, reduce the heat, and let it simmer for about 7 to 10 minutes, or until they're well cooked and you have a nice thick sauce like this from the starch, and they're ready to be served. And I've grown up having these potatoes for breakfast with baguette or French bread or any type of bread. So I hope you will try, and do let me know. Maybe you can tag me on Instagram and let me know how you like them. So thank you so much for being with me, and thank you for your support. I look forward to having you all again in the near future as I share more recipes. Thank you.